The goal of my lab is to understand why some animals can regenerate their tissues and organs, but some other animals, like humans, cannot. So I started at UNLV in fall of 2012, so it's been about 6 years, and ever since I started my lab here, I've mentored students, both graduate and undergraduate students. Being a mentor is actually a very critical part of my responsibilities because my lab research is mostly done by my students. Thus, if my students are successful, that means our research program is successful. For me, the most important part of succeeding as a mentor is to understand my students and what they need from me. So I try to tailor my mentoring to individual students. In the beginning, when they first start, I meet with them very frequently, I check in with them. Once they have picked up the training that's necessary for them to carry out their own research, they're basically on their own schedule. So I trust my students to come in and do the experiments that's needed and update me on the progress. So for all students that enter my lab, I fully expect them to become a published author because we have lots of great projects in the lab. And in fact, of the 10 undergraduates that I've mentored, 5 of them are published authors on our peer-reviewed manuscripts. We all have to find our strengths and our weaknesses and to understand how we can best be a mentor to our students because all students are different and we all have different personalities and skills, so trying to balance the two I think is actually the most important. As a researcher, having students in my lab has truly been a wonderful experience and will continue to be one because we have so many great students who are really excellent researchers. And when they come into lab, I really get to see them develop into scientists and actually contribute to the knowledge of science. And it's also wonderful to see them go on to their further careers in professional schools and so on, and to see them develop into just excellent researchers and professionals.